Hey, boys and girls, welcome back. You'll recall back on day 4, we noticed how our bean seed was germinating, was beginning to grow, and we saw the embryo, and the seed coat was breaking, so it's just beginning to grow. So we're now on day 7, so you're going to make sure you're on page 5 of the investigation log. And we want to also compare what our bean is doing on day 7. So let's write day 7 here compared to the dried seed. So I'll bring over our seeds. Okay, and this is damp. It's getting its water this way. And the seeds are, what do you notice about the seeds before I start saying? So this is Parva lima. Here's the lima bean. Look how long. And this root has begun. Here's our bean. There's 2 beans here. There's another bean. The black-eyed pea and then another bean. My goodness, this is the other side of the sunflower. Here we are here. Actually, I think that's a black-eyed pea, the other side of the, so you can see the root and then the leaves coming out. So let's pull out our bean, and let's pull one where we can really see that seed coat coming out. And you can really see how much it's grown on day 7. So compare it to the dry plant, the dry seed, the one in the dormant state. Look how much more swollen it is. What other differences do you see? Talk to your friends. What other differences do you see? So now let's draw, boys and girls. Remember, we need to draw it large, larger than life. Okay, so remember how big our other ones were. Okay, and I'm going to just kind of do this because that is the seed coat breaking off. And all this in here is going to be green, so I can draw. And we have a few lines here, show the roots. So I'm going to take my brown and black and do this part down here, brown. Just trace around it. This is where the seed coat still remains. Okay. And I draw lightly, color it in, and then I do the rest black. Or however, I'm sure some of you are much better artists than I am. Okay, and then lots of green here. It's a little dark here. Then do a little tracing there, and then we'll go maybe lighter. And don't forget, boys and girls, we want to label. So taking our pencil, we know we have the seed coat, and we have the embryo, and we have roots. Okay. All right, you finish up your drawing. You can pause the video if you need to look at it more closely, and we'll see you next time.